how's it going? So yesterday I made a Costco run. Whoop whoop. But side note, why was it busy at noon on a Monday? Like, it was crazy. It was insane. I was totally expecting to just walk in, get out, get my stuff and head home, but it was insane. But I did want to share this haul with you guys because everything that I found is organic. I am so impressed that Costco has so many organic brands and organic options for people who choose to eat organically. And really, if you're buying it in bulk, the prices are so much better. And they even have store brands. A lot of the stuff in here you're gonna see is a Kirkland brand. So yeah, I was just super, super excited. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So the first things that I got are this 2-pack of Kirkland organic peanut butter. It is really good. The taste is great. We've already kind of broken into it since we did do our shopping yesterday. So yeah, very excited to see organic peanut butter, as peanut butter sandwiches are a staple in my house. The next thing that I found, which I was really excited about, was this organic mild barbecue sauce. I cannot find organic barbecue sauce, and it's super important to me to eat organically and do that for my children. This comes as a 2-pack, so if this is too much for you, maybe just split it with a friend, but I like to have one in my pantry so that I always have a go-to and I don't have to run out to the store if we're gonna barbecue that night. The next thing we'll take a look at, and this does have like freezer stuff on it because I did my shopping yesterday, so these have been hanging out in my freezer. These pork-free chicken breakfast sausages. They are organic. Delilah has a couple of friends that like to sleep over at our house, and sometimes I'll feed them breakfast, and a couple of those kids are pork-free. So I was super excited to see these. I do prefer chicken sausage anyway to pork sausage. They come as a pack of 3. So yes, again, buying in bulk, but like I said, just stick it in your freezer. We currently have breakfast sausage in our fridge ready to rock, so this is just hanging out in my freezer until we need it. The next thing I found was this giant box of Annie's Organic Mac and Cheese Variety Pack. And so it comes with 4 shells and real aged cheddar, 4 shells and white cheddar, and then just your classic mild cheddar. They are all organic. Awesome. And these are great for during the school year when I am just about ready to lose my mind and I just need something quick for dinner. So these live in my pantry until I am desperate for a dinner idea, or we use it as a side to go with a dinner. So yeah, super excited. There are 12 in this pack. So yeah, these are gonna live in my pantry until we need them. The next thing that I picked up for our dog actually is this organic whole chickens. So our dog does not eat the traditional dog food. He eats half of a raw chicken, and sometimes we'll throw in a couple of raw eggs just for the vitamin B12 and those sort of things. And then we make a mixture of like greens and other things to sort of supplement his diet that way. So these are Foster Farms organic whole chickens. They are organic and free range. I don't really like the tag word of free range because really, are they free ranging in a barn or what? But whatever. They are organic, which is important to me as we are consuming them. And for 2 of them, they cost $29.83. The price per pound was $2.49. So these are a great deal if you're looking for organic chicken. I have not been able to find a cheaper deal on organic whole chickens anywhere. And so the next thing we're gonna look at is this oven roasted organic turkey breast. So this is just lunch meat. Again, I did my shopping yesterday, so this is frozen at Costco. It does not come frozen, however. It has just been living in my freezer because I bought a few of these and I just like to have them on hand. Freezing is the best way to keep them good the longest. So we do go through quite a bit of this. I pack it in kids' lunches. I just have it as a snack around the house, sandwiches, that sort of thing. And it is organic. Packaged lunch meat that's organic is super hard to find. So I was really excited to see this at Costco, and yeah, I bought, I think, 4 of these. So yes, it does not come frozen. It comes in just the regular refrigerator section. So yep, organic turkey breast. And I apologize, but this one is already open. I used one yesterday. I found these pre-made organic bean, rice, and cheese burritos. They're made by Lily Bees. They are 100% organic. And again, these are just an easy dinner idea during the school year when you're about to lose your mind and you just need something that you can pop right in the oven. We don't use a microwave at our house just for personal reasons, but you can pop this in the oven or you can pop it in the microwave if you have one. Awesome. Super excited. I would have liked to have seen a like whole wheat tortilla on these, but that's just how it goes. Okay guys, the next thing we're gonna take a look at is this quinoa and brown rice seeds of change mix. And these come in a box. They come in a box of 4. I've already discarded the box just to make them easier to store, but these are awesome. They literally take 90 seconds if you're gonna microwave them. They probably take me like 2 minutes when I'm browning them on the stove. And yeah, they are a great side to go with dinner. They are amazing. The flavor is great and I cannot rave about these enough. They also have the quinoa in there to sort of bump it up as with your health benefits and those sort of things. So yes, highly, highly recommend these at Costco. As we're getting ready for the school year, I went ahead and picked up some Annie's certified organic fruit snacks. And there is a variety pack. There's a few different flavors. And these are awesome for when I'm sending lunch to school with my big kid. I feel good about sending these with her because they are organic. So yes, found these at Costco. However, side note, I found the Annie's organic like snack crackers also, and those are not organic. Like, how lame. If you're a company that makes organic things, I think all of your products should be organic, but that's just me. The next thing I found were these fruit leather or fruit stretch things. I liked that they are non-GMO and organic. And again, these are going to be great just for snacks around the house. These are going to be great for packing in kids' lunches and all of those sort of things. So yes. I love these. There's 36 in here and there's 12 of each flavor, apple, strawberry, and grape. And I apologize that these are already open as well. We did our shopping yesterday, so I have already used some of these things, but they are awesome. These are little granola packs, and instead of just being a granola bar, they look like this. They're these little granola balls, and so they have chocolate chip and mixed berry. They're allergy friendly, so they're actually nut free. They have servings of fruits and vegetables, which is really cool. They're non-GMO and organic. They don't have any of these allergens, which I thought was awesome. I was even thinking I could send these as a snack in a classroom because they are free from any of these allergens that kids commonly have. Peanut, dairy, tree nuts, eggs, soy, sesame, wheat, and fish and seafood. So yeah, these are great. They're gonna just go right in a lunch bag, or I'll have them around the house for snacks during the school year. So highly recommend these. The brand is Made Good Granola Minis, so if you're looking for those. In our house, again, these are open. Sorry, this isn't our traditional haul. In our house, we love figs, and I found these organic sun-dried figs. They are made by Happy Village. They are 100% organic, and this is a huge bag. This is a 40-ounce bag, and this will last us a long time. I really like them. My kids really like them, and yeah, they're just a great snack to have around the house. And the last thing that I picked up yesterday at Costco is this organic rice milk. So most of the people, at least 50% in my house, are lactose intolerant. So we either use almond milk or rice milk. We don't do soy products either. So I was really excited to see this nice big pack of rice milk available. And I've heard really good things from people about this particular brand, the Kirkland brand, about flavor and how long it lasts and quality and those sort of things. It's gonna last us quite a while. I won't have to go to the store for more. This will be great in the mornings for school year. I will just have milk on hand, or rice milk as it were, for cereal, for, you know, getting ready in the morning, those sort of things, to even go in my tea, everything. So very excited to see this at Costco. All right, you guys, well, thank you for hanging with us for this haul. I'm super excited that you're here. We have made it up to 415 subscribers. Can I just say thank you, thank you, thank you so much for following my channel and for following my wonderful family. We're super stoked to have you with us. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up below. And if you're new here, make sure that you follow us. I do lots of hauls. I do planner videos, parenting topics. teacher videos, anything. I mean, if you request a video, I will make it for you. Basically, that's how it works. So hit that red subscribe button below. It's just right underneath this video. It's red and it says subscribe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by Beans and Monkeys. And by the way, have fun today.